Welcome to this short tutorial on how to access and begin to edit the Missouri Teachers Conference 09 Wiki Spaces Wiki, collaborative wiki. You'll see up here the address for that. That's what you need to type in. Just be careful that you have to type in Wiki Spaces. I have a lot of students who always type in just Wiki Space and they never get to where they need to go, so it's always Wiki Spaces. But when you click on it, this is the page it's going to take you to. I know I'm at the wiki because there's my heading, and here's the text I have so far. Here up across the top, just real quick, are your tabs I was telling you about before. This is our page tab that shows you everything that you can type in. This is the discussion tab, which allows us to start threaded discussions, just like you normally do on the discussion board. Next tab is called the history tab. It shows you the number of times that page has been edited and who it's been edited by. I've uploaded an icon of myself, so that's why it shows my picture. And then here's the notify me button where I can set up alerts to have it send me an email or any of those types of, or a feed notification when it's been updated. So on the page portion of it, you'll notice that the page has been protected, and that protection was set up which allowed, I kind of set this base up originally to only allow those people who are users to be able to edit that. And when you join, when you go up here to join, you'll have that option to do that. So you just see it's protected. When you log in, when you create a user account, that will no longer say protected. So since it shows us being as guests, we're going to go up here to join. And joining is as simple as providing it with a username, password, and email address. You get to choose your username and password and then provide it with your email address. Again, as it says here, they don't spam your email address. The email is only used for notifications and for helping you remember your password. Make sure that you click no on make a space because we want you to belong to our space. So once you're done with filling that stuff in, you'll click join. I'm going to go ahead and sign in because I already have an account. Once I log in, I'll notice now my button says edit this page and I'm ready to go. Editing the page is as simple as clicking the edit this page button. Across the top, you'll notice that I have my editor toolbar, and now I can click down here and it's just a document ready waiting to be edited. And just a real quick overview across the top, you recognize those: bold, italicized, underline. This is my color and style that allows me to color my text. Instead of having a font size and font style, they only have one. Is our heading 1 through 6 and normal. Wikispaces is designed mostly for collaboration, not for publishing, so they only have that limited scope. Here, just like normal, your ordered list, your unordered list, concerning our horizontal break. This is a hyperlink button that allows you to link to websites as well as link to other wiki pages inside of our wiki space. Here's the remove link feature if we wanted to insert new pictures. So when we decide on a logo, we can digitize that logo and put the logo up here, and we can make comments on it if we like. This is the embed widget that allows you to embed like a YouTube video or any type of video or audio that we would have, and of course the insert table button. These two over here don't use much if you're using HTML code or inserting special characters. When you're done making edits, all you have to do is click save, and it will automatically save any changes that you've made. Before I click save, I'm going to highlight one area down here, and this is an optional, a note about this edit for the page history log. This would only necessarily be important if you want to make sure we do a good job of keeping track of who has made what edits and why we made the edits we made. But that may not necessarily excuse me, be important for us. So we're just going to go and click save, and what will happen is I will leave my edit screen, and now I'm back to being live. So if you have any other questions, feel free to give me an email.